Hello, everybody. I'm back with another Trade Like a Sniper episode where I utilize a top down analysis approach to frame a trade on a lower time frame. Okay, all using ICT's concepts. So, if you want to learn how to do it like this, feel free to check out my other videos because I post quite often, or contact me on one of my socials, and I'll see what I can do. So, as usual, we'll start on a higher time frame, maybe the 12, 6 month, 4, usually 3 at lowest. And we'll go to a random point of time on a randomly chosen asset. So let's see what we can trade today. Let's pick something different. We did a couple of forex pairs previously. Coinbase, it's quite new. Although it doesn't really matter too much. Should we choose Coinbase? Yeah, why not? I guess we'll have a look on the 12 month. Very little data. It's okay. You can choose something on the 1 month. I know it's pretty straightforward here, but yeah. So I'm just going to go back. I'm going to scrunch up the chart and I'm going to go to, let's just go to a monthly time frame, double the candles, and let's go to somewhere in the middle, okay? All right. So what do we notice? We notice a fair value gap here. CB month. Start forwarding price. Price creates its equal lows, and on the next month it takes it out. Okay. Again, price comes into a CB on the 1 month. Okay, we're quite at a discount, so I'm really hesitant to short. And yeah, you can see why there. So let's see where this month ends. Okay, this month's back in here. See where it closes. Okay. So we have the CB 1 month, and let's put this in a different color. With over here we have a CB BISI on the 1 month. And okay, I think we can go down to the weekly and see what's up. All right, interesting. Gap here on the weekly and this volume gap. This is right on the NASDAQ, right? After it became, it had its IPO. Actually, flip this around. Okay, so we're relatively at a discount, but let's come into over here. Maybe there's an OTE down here. Let me invert this chart. Reverse. Okay. So 61 level here. I would like us to get into this volume imbalance, which we just did, which was a weekly BISI. No, I believe it was a monthly BISI. Okay, let's go to the daily. Where would we target at this point? I think, okay, so we took out the liquidity here. Okay, and let's just put purple. And where would we want to target? We came into the monthly CB, and now we're back in, and then we over here, monthly CB broke down. Looks like we're expanding up. And there's another gap here on the weekly. Okay, so that's all good areas. Let's go to the daily and wait for a reversal, possibly down here, if not here. Okay, I like this. Came into there, broke this so-called structure, changed the state of delivery, and Now we have this refined entry here. I believe the next candle should come in. We don't even need to market buy. Let's just put it a little bit halfway of the wick here and stop loss here. Did I choose the wrong one? I'm looking for a long. Okay. Let's put the stop. Yeah, we can try a stop here. If we get stopped out, this whole area would be a point of interest. So where do we want to target? First target here, above these highs. Second target here. And then further up into maybe this area and this whole order block here, or even higher, right? We can always leave a runner if we're expecting complete reversal. So let's put target here. Target here. Always at swing points. Always at higher time frame PD arrays, and target here. Okay. Let's see how this works out first. Next candle. Okay, we can. Oh, see. All right, we are tagged in. Let's see how it goes. Whoa. Okay. Relative equal highs. Back again to this weekly POI. Big gap here though. At this point, I may get out at break even if it does come lower, because it might come into here. And I can always look for another entry. But yeah, let's see what happens anyway. Just leave it. Okay, gap here. Is it going to break this or move lower? Come on. Okay, so stop this out. Stop this out there. Now we're below this level. I'm just wait for another change. Okay. Down here, can I go to the weekly just to see that gap? The low of that gap. Coming into this volume imbalance again. I don't know if it broke that. Let's see on a, yeah, by a little bit. So let's get in again. Or even down at this level, but we might miss it because there's so many gaps on this kind of thing. We're doing a market now. Did it stop us out again? One more time, it decided to do it. Okay. So 2R lost. Let's get in here and we can put our stop here. I think this is the move. First target here, here, here. First target hit. Second target into this gap. Order block here. We get changed in state of delivery. We're going to break that. Okay, let's see this candle. This high is waiting here. Okay, let's see what we're seeing on a higher time frame. Monthly. Okay, I see a monthly gap. Sorry, it's a bit messy because the stats are showing new month opening gap. Let's go back to the daily. Okay. I think it might just go up from here. We're expecting higher prices anyway into this area. Okay, let's get along. Let's get along in here at the low. In this case, we can reduce our risk. We already hit this target. We want to hit this target now. I can't see the lower time frames, but we see that we came in, came up, came down one more time, came up, took that out. So midpoint of this wick, we should see at least higher prices, a little bit. Okay, this change in state of delivery. So we see a gap here, this entire gap, and then we get a inversion gap here. Possibly, if we close higher. Okay, in the small gap, we close higher. Boom. Midpoint of this wick, somewhere around there. Okay. Could even take another entry. Or not. Swap this out both times. Creating this equal highs. We're still in this position. Okay, I think we're done trying to snipe a high RR. Let's just let it run at our original safe stop loss. Okay. Yep. All right, so all our targets were hit. Over here and over here. Okay. So we lost 3 trades, but we won one with a 3.62 R. Of course, you would enter, the appropriate risk for different trades. Some people have different risks depending on the setup, and some people just have a static risk and just do it that way. So we can see all this. I'm going to hide it all, or maybe not yet. Let's go to the monthly. Let's see the price action here. This was the candle that came into the gap. This was another candle that came a bit lower. This is a candle that didn't go lower, and then we just zoomed up from there. And now we came into here, the monthly, and the gap on the monthly here. Let's see. Maybe one more candle down. Okay, and then we zoom up from there. All right. Yeah, so like I said, many higher targets to leave a runner for. Definitely possible. Let me see the retracement here. Okay, into this inversion gap. There's a gap here too, an order block. This would be interesting. Oh, okay, now we're here. Back to current day. Yeah, so current day, there's this gap here. So what I would note now is this monthly gap. And I would note this monthly order block, the range. I like to annotate the bodies. And at that point, go down to the weekly. Weekly came into this gap, this gap. Now we're in this gap. So we can move higher from here, but if you want to wait for a discount, you can possibly wait for price to come down into this order block again. It'll be cool if it creates. Now, right now it has relative equal highs, which are good. So not a bad place to take a long. I don't trade stocks, but if you do, along here would be good at a lower risk. And if we start breaking down, I think we can look to take a trade in this order block, monthly order block down here. Maybe below this swing low, somewhere in here. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found it insightful. Till next time, R2F signing out.